Bali, the currently station at the moment in Canggu. I will drive on Raya Smart Street until to the Finnish Club. So we'll together of the station at the moment in this area in Canggu. Yeah, there's a tourists. So many tourists in this area. Outside, there's a restaurant and a lot of tourists inside. That's good. And look so busy. See, yeah. There is some tourists driving motorbike. I guess I'm sorry, this camera I not use stabilizer. You see right there at the farm? In this area. I get so sorry because yesterday I heard about the flood in Sydney. It was big flood. It's very crazy. I'm so sad to hear that. You see, trees on the sidewalk. Need transport? She doesn't need transport. See restaurant and stuff. So many Russian stay in Canggu area. Okay, you see the big thing, the statue, that we call Ogogo. Okay, sorry, the signal was not so good in this area.